Good morning, church. Construction update for you Tuesday morning, July 2nd, 2024. And as you can see behind me, they are pouring the slab. Pretty exciting stuff. The next step that we're going to have is they're going to be shipping the steel on the 15th and be erecting the frame here and then filling it out. So this month has a lot of things going on, and we're excited about what we're seeing. So thank you for your prayers. Continue to lift up the project and all the men who are working hard here. Pray for their safety and that God will bless them. So God bless you, and we'll give you another update shortly. Take care.